Hello everyone, welcome to Decor Vibe YouTube channel. So if you enjoy watching the useful home design ideas, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get our new video on time. Your support helps us bring more helpful ideas for your homes. So today we will share many kitchen ideas that can work for small homes, big houses, modern apartment and traditional houses too. A kitchen is more than a place to cook. It is a place where the family meets, where meals are prepared with love and where small talk happen. A good kitchen should be easy to use, safe and look pleasant. Think about the layout first. A strength kitchen is good for very small area. One wall holds the stove, sink and counter. An L-shaped kitchen fit nicely in a corner and gives you a room to move. A U-shaped kitchen uses three sides and gives many counter and storage. For large space in slant kitchen with a counter in the middle look great and give extra work area. Parallel kitchen have a counter on both sides and work well in narrow rooms. Storage is a big part of any kitchen. Use tall cabinet to store things you do not use every day. Keep daily item on lower shelves so you can reach them easily. Use small put-out boxes for smooth knife and small tools. Corner space can have a special rotating shelves that bring item out easily. Use closed boxes to hide messy things and open shelves for item you want to show like pretty jars or dishes. Choose material that are simple to clean. Tops made of quartz, granite or marble are common because they are strong and easy to wipe. For cabinet doors, laminates and painted surface work well and are easy to keep clean. If you like wood, choose good quality that does not get damaged by water. For a low budget, tiles and simple laminate top are a good choice. Light makes a kitchen feel fresh. Allow much natural light as you can using window or a small glass area. For evenings, use a main ceiling lights to brighten the whole room. Add a small light under the cabinets for the counter area. A few hanging lights above the slant dining corner bring a nice look. Warm light and give a soft feel and white lights help in work area. Ventilation is very important. A chimney or exhaust fan above the cooking area remove smoke and smell good airflow. Keep the kitchen clean and the wall from getting greasy. If possible, keep a window near the stove to let us fresh air in. Pick color that you love but also think about space. Light color such as white, cream or light gray make a small kitchen look larger. Dark color like navy or deep brown look rich but need more light. A mix of two colors often looks modern. For example, white with wood tones or gray with soft blue. Appliances make the kitchen work easy. Keep the fridge, stove and sink a comfortable triangle so you do not walk too much while cooking. A built-in oven, microwave space and place for a mixer or juicer. Keep the counter free. Think about where to place the water purifier, dishwasher or washing machine if you use them. Small decoration make the kitchen warm. A plant near the window, a small bowl or fresh fruit on the counters, or a frame with a recipe can make the space feel personal. Use machine jars or spices and keep label for easy finding but keep decor minimal so that kitchen look neat. Safety must be top point. Keep sharp knife in a box or drawers. Use child lock on low drawer. If you have a small children, keep the gas and electric points checked and do not keep long wire on the counter. Keep a small fire cylinder in a easy to reach place. If you have a small budget, focus on a few smart changes. Paint the cabinet, change handle, add a new lights or use fill and stick tile on one wall. These small updated give a fresh look. Window large cost for those who want something quick. Change the cabinet knobs and a nice rag and place a small plant. For people who like green choice, use recycled wood, natural fiber, mats and energy saving lights. These options save money over time and are good for the planet. You can also use jars and boxes made from recycled material for storage. Cleanliness and routine help the kitchen last long. Wipe the counter every day. Keep a small tray for used item and do a deep clean once a week. Keep the sink area free and store wet item to dry in a safe place. If you enjoy cooking and hosting, add a small counter or breakfast bar where family and guests can sit. A couple of stools and a small shelf for cups make the kitchen lively and social for families. Add easy access shelves for kids to reach plates and snacks. Finally, remember the kitchen should match your life. Choose a design fits your daily routine and family size. A well planned kitchen reduce stress and make cooking more joyful. Simple choice, neat storage, good lights and safety build a kitchen you will love every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these ideas, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friend. Do not forget to subscribe to Decor Vibe and press the bell icon for more simple home design ideas. See you in the next video. Stay happy and decorating.